Today we are cooking a delicious fried kway teow with shrimp for lunch. This recipe is for 4 servings. For the ingredients I have 250 grams of bean sprout, 450 grams of kway teow or hor fun, 40 grams of Chinese chive, 2 chicken eggs, 6 pieces of large shrimp, 2 pieces of red chili, 250 grams of minced meat. I'm using minced pork, but you can use minced chicken as well. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic in oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We will start off with marinating the shrimp. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper. Marinate the shrimp. Then put it aside. Next, crack the eggs. Wow, I have twin eggs. Okay, I'm pouring it in here. I like to crack the eggs into a separate bowl before putting them all together. This is to ensure that my batch of eggs won't be contaminated if one of them is bad. Now the egg is ready, put it aside. Next, we are going to prepare the kway teow. Cut open the packet. Normally kway teow always come in a big lumps like this. And the noodles are always stuck with each other to form the lump like this. I recommend spending some time to separating them. You can do it piece by piece like this. So I will continue to complete all of this. Alright, the kway teow noodles are all separated. Let's cook. Heat the pan, wait for 1 minute until the pan is a bit warm. Put in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and add in all the shrimp. Shrimp tends to have some water. Please remove all the water from the bowl before pouring the shrimp into the pan, or else there will be oil splatter. Cook the shrimp for 30 seconds. Flip all the shrimp to the other side and cook for 30 seconds more. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Next, cooking the eggs. In the same pan, with a lot of shrimp flavor, put in half tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour in the eggs. Add in quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper. Give it a mix for about 30 seconds. With a high heat, egg will cook really fast. See, the egg is cooked now. I'm going to switch off the heat. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, cooking the minced meat. Switch on the heat. Add in half tablespoon of garlic in oil. Add in all the minced meat. Spread it on the pan. Now add in some seasoning. Half tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir for 2 minutes or until the seasoning are well combined and all the minced meat is cooked. While stirring, try to separate the minced meat that is clumped together so they won't have lumps like this. After 2 minutes, Minced meat is cooked. Switch off the heat and remove it all from the pan. Next, cook the kway teow. Switch on the heat to low heat. Pour in all the balance of cooking oil. Add in all the kway teow. Use a spatula to separate it all over the pan. Add in all sesame oil. Half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Thick soy sauce. And half tablespoon of garlic in oil. Keep just a bit for later on. Now increase the heat to medium-high. Give it a stir for 1 minute or until kway teow and seasoning are well combined. This is what it should look like. The kway teow is soft and almost cooked. The color is perfect. Now we are adding in the chili and chives. I will leave just a bit for garnishing later on. Give it a couple of stirs. Next, add in the bean sprout, minced meat, cooked eggs, and shrimp. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds. Switch off the heat. Bean sprout, chili and chives do not need to cook too long. They can be cooked with the residual heat from the kway teow. Next, add in the balance of garlic in oil. Give it a mix until well combined and fragrant. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, you can add in more seasoning as preferred, but this is perfect. I can dish out and serve. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious. Kway teow is smooth and tasty. The vegetables are crunchy. Let's try the shrimp. Wow, the shrimp is fresh and is cooked perfectly. The shrimp really goes well with fried kway teow dish. I recommend that you try it and you will love it. Enjoy! Subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!